In an effort to encourage more young people to read and also expose them to robotics, STEM Guyana and the National Library teamed up today to commence a 2-day robotics workshop for staff members. Here's that story.
First Lady Sandra Granger says the initiative's objective is one that not only improves participants' oral skills, but introduces them to technology.
It's a marvel to me to see how our young people just become fascinated with the different parts of these robotics kits. And then they start to use their imaginations and decide where they want to go with it. So I think the marriage of the libraries and robotics is going to be an exciting union, because I think you, like us, especially for the library people, want to see our children reading and learning and absorbing that love of language and that love of literature. But at the same time, they're doing something useful.
Co-founder STEM Guyana Karen Abrams says it also allows the agency to provide equal opportunities to the nation's future leaders.
We think that this is a beautiful marriage. One thing I always say is that talent is equally distributed in every community, but opportunity is not. So our goal is to bring the opportunity into the community so we can identify the talented young people who will be able to benefit from this program.
Those interested in the program will need to become library members, according to Abrams.
They have 15 minutes of reading, and then they get to sitting to go over to learn scratch coding. They then work on robot building and programming, and then we'll have another group working with the NGSA math app. Those sixth graders who are taking the exams, we'll like them to do 15 minutes of math as well when they come in at some point during the program. So it's going to be a fun, exciting program, and we are just using that opportunity to reinforce some of the other skills.
Neola Damon, InfoHub.